We are at Universal's Cabana Bay Resort, and this is a retro theme value resort. Really good for kids and families. Right now you're looking at the Continental Beachside pool area. You can see there's a lot of sand, a lot of beach chairs, and here, my friends, is the pool. Pretty good sized pool. In the background, you might see there in the center the volcano. That is the centerpiece of Universal Orlando's Volcano Bay Water Park, which is conveniently, literally like a walk away from the Cabana Bay. So for families who are visiting Universal and who intend to come visit that water park, this would be a great option for your family. The whole resort is retro themed. You can see that by the colors. And even in the bathrooms, the shampoo and the cream rinse was Alberto VO5 and the shampoo was Zest. Our hotel room is somewhere up right in front of you on the 5th floor, probably behind those palm trees somewhere. We wanted somewhere up high so we would put our feet above our heads. And they are nice accommodations, the beds are soft, and I'll show you some more of that later. We're looking at the check-in area of the Cabana Bay. There's the front entrance over there, and then as you enter, you go to the right currently. You can see the health workers standing at the front. They are checking everyone's temperature as they come in, because we are still pretty soon post-COVID. Here is the Swizzle Lounge, currently closed, but it will open up later tonight. And then I am about to take you outside to check out the Atomic Pool right out there. We are at Cabana Bay outside at the Atomic Pool. This in front of us is the Atomic Grill, currently closed, although the menu has some, typical grill items on it, but it looks like maybe the best place to eat here when it is open. Here in the center, large pool area, you can see 3 separate wings of the hotel. Here on my left is the Starlight section. Here in the center is, I can barely read it there at the top, the Thunderbird section. There, of course, is the pool in the middle with its water slide and a whole bunch of cabanas all around the edge. And on the right side, the Castaway section, still in the retro colors and the retro vibe going on. We have a large pool, a lounge area over here to the right. And the pool is currently closed. Most people staying here at the parks. So it seems that the pool really kind of shuts down during the day along with the restaurants. We found that when we came back from the park a bit early today at about 2:30 in the afternoon. We were looking for something to eat and nothing was open. Here's the map. We'll check it out. So you can see that we are right here in front of the main pool with those 3 wings, and then here's the continental side where my hotel room is.